today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to create a GUI. First of all, you need to press the new project. As you can see, pick this in project Java application and Java with and press the next button. And after that, we're going to name and location. You must make the create main class login form. And after that, you press the finish button. As you can see, we are in UI interface, and after that you click the login package. You press the new and the JFrame form, and after that you put the class name sign up. This is only for example. And now we are in GUI design, and this is the palette, and under that we have swing container, swing controls, and the others. First thing first, if you want to add color, you need to put the panel. The one of the features of Java, drag and drop. Okay, then you put the, and then you right click, then background, this background, and then you choose any colors you want. For example, pink. So close, and then put the J label. If you want to, you put the J label, to J label for login and the password. And then after that, you put the text field, password field, and you can adjust it. And you want headings, put the label, then adjust. If you want the font being centered, you click the right click and properties, and find the horizontal alignment, and horizontal alignment, center. Choose the center, then close. Then you can, for example, login form, and then you can erase it, and then you can put also the button bar, and after that, wait, login, and then no, erase, and you can adjust the font properties, the font size, and then 14 and bold, close, and this is also font, then bold, 14 size. This is password. No, password, username. And then we're going to create another JFrame form. And we already created a GUI form. And just remember, if you creating a GUI form, just remember that font and background must be consistent. And now we're going to create a functionality for login button. Double click. And now this is our code. You can search it online. And let's try to run it. Let's press the login button. And now this is the dashboard of our GUI. Thank you for watching.